Hey guys, Frankie here from GoMaya, Belize Adventures and Rumors Resort in San Ignacio. If you'd like to know how to make a protective shield for your tour vehicles like this one, check out this video. As we prepare for Gold Standard certification, one of the things you want to consider while implementing measures to mitigate the risk of both staff and guests is the installation of protective shields in your vehicles. While it is not mandatory, it does go to show that you're doing your part in creating a safer environment and one that will bring peace of mind to both your guests and your staff. The materials I chose: 2 lengths of number 3 rebars. These are the same little bars that you use for constructions for creating stirrups and beam rings. I used 12 feet of clear plastic. You may want to use up to maybe 15 feet so that you ensure that you have enough. Scissors and measuring tape. About 15 feet of any grade of electrical wire that can hold its form when you bend it. A glue gun with an extension cord, and a hacksaw to cut the rebar. There are many tutorials online using Velcro, and others use plexiglass and other materials, but the reason I chose rebars as my frame is because it supports itself from the base and it retains its shape once you mold it. The plastic is then just added on as a curtain. The setup can also be very easily removed and reinstalled, plus it requires no sticking or screwing onto your vehicle. You will use the cable wire to take the measurements and the basic form of the frame. Start from the base of one end and go bending it conforming to the shape of your vehicle's interior. You then transfer the shape onto the rebar. You don't need any special tools. The rebar is soft enough to bend with your bare hands. Once you've transferred the shape, cut the rebar a little longer than your intended length. It's always best to have more than figuring out that you fell too short later on. Place the rebar into position in the van. At this point, it won't be a perfect fit, so you'll start bending it into form from one side to the other. At the top, you want to give it an arched shape so that when you press it upwards, it will flatten out flush with the roof. Once you've achieved that snug fit, you take it out and place the plastic onto it. I use the glue gun because the glue dries very fast. You'll want to use it simply to tuck the plastic into place while you ensure that you have a proper fit. Later, you can apply a stronger and slower drying adhesive to stick the rest in place. I'd suggest using contact cement or silicone for this. You want to tuck the plastic on one side of the frame first so that you can figure out the other side once you have put it in the van. At this point, place the frame into position in the van and continue gluing the plastic onto the frame. You want to make sure that the plastic goes on tight and uniformly by tucking it with the glue gun at strategic locations and avoid ripples due to some areas not being stretched out evenly. Once done, you may either remove the frame and apply a stronger and more permanent adhesive now, or proceed to trimming the plastic's edges. Be sure to leave some extra plastic flaps, which you'll use to help create a seal in places where the frame leaves some openings. Using a wedge, tuck in the extra plastic flaps in between the frame and the roof and walls. Alternatively, you may want to use a narrow strip of foam or sponge placed between the frame and the roof and walls to achieve an even tighter seal. Now remember, the idea is not to create a perfect seal because this is impractical, but a setup like this provides a very tight seal. I'd say maybe about 95%. The setup also works well on my high roof Hiace van, and even allows room to open the engine cover once the seats are inclined. I also added a homemade sanitizing and tip station. For this, I used a metal hanger, a basket that I found lying around, a metal hanger that I stretched open and cut in half to use as the hanging hooks, and some tying wire to tie it all together. It fits nicely between the frame and the roof, and is even strong enough to support a squeeze of the sanitizer nozzle. It also fits perfectly in my Ford van. You can get creative with anything that you can find lying around. As we enter into the third phase of the reopening of the tourism industry, a lot of things remain fluid, but we must remain informed and prepared to take precaution and corrective measures. I wish you all the best in moving forward, and remember, we're all in this together. It's time to work as one in the industry. If you ever find yourself needing a partner Gold Standard certified tour operator, even if it's as a backup for your spillovers or you need an extra vehicle, feel free to contact me. My details are in the descriptions below. Stay safe, always.